Hi, this is ZTE Blade V50 and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So open first the Settings app and then tap to Connected Devices. To activate via NFC option or to turn it off, you should click here to this switcher. Also, you could make it by another way, just open the control panel and now you could find here NFC icon. If you don't see this icon here, just click here to this edit icon. Find the NFC, hold and drag it to this up section. Go back to save the changes, and now to activate or to turn off the NFC option, you should click this icon. If you want to launch full NFC settings, hold it for a while, and after that you'll launch NFC settings, and you could just change here the contactless payments and other options. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.